Yeah, John, why? Why did
Why
you
did you
restrict
restrict it, John?
Yeah.
Every time I pulled it down, Varun pulled it back up.
ऐसे नहीं मेरे बच्चों के टीजी है ऊपर कर लो.
Hi Varun, John. Yeah.
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारते हुए मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like Virat Kohli. But his name is Virat Sharma and he's not Virat Kohli.
No, I think except the name. I love the name. And I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a raw agent.
I'm not a raw agent in this, so it's a different template. It's a different format. It's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space.
I'd also like to opportunity to ask you about some issues that happened recently with Kannai Bhatt and the controversial Sanjay Lata video. So do you think people in the country should have some boundaries, or do you believe in absolutely no?
I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So, very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So, all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So, it's fantastic, yeah, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So, congratulations to all of you on social media.
Really? Stop it.
Auntie, I see you and faint all the time. आपको तो पता है हमारा last time I answered your question, you called me something, so I said this time I'm not going to tell you
What'd she
anything.
call you?
I
Tell
can't
me,
say it over.
please.
I can't say it over. We have a
Fitness mantra? Turning sexy mantra. I mean, you know.
What do you do? Any oils, any milk, any मतलब No, even I think, what do you do?
Come on.
No, how do I know?
follow your mantra. I mean, like, I just think that if you work out and you know, diet and see, honestly speaking, a lot of people thinks it comes very easy, but we all can tell you it doesn't. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of discipline when you need to work out and make a body. And these guys, I mean, I know when we were shooting in Abu Dhabi and you guys were doing your chaddi shot, it was like you guys worked for worked out for at least 40 days straight. They weren't, you know, eating any carbs. So it's very difficult, and I think more than anything, you've just got to be happy as well. You've got to be happy.
I've always been scared of the media, so nothing new.
John, Varun, here.
हाँ जी सर.
Yeah, towards your left.
What's up? How's it going?
जानना चाहूंगा कि इसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच की बात हो रही है, तो इसमें पाकिस्तान कितना है और क्या लगता है कि अगर वो नेगेटिव रेफरेंस है पाकिस्तान का तो पाकिस्तान
I would like to clear this. बिल्कुल नेगेटिव रेफरेंस नहीं है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ या किसी भी कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ. It's a very positive representation, and in fact, what we are trying to show that for certain people, sometimes money is the religion. It's not being an Indian or being a Pakistani or being a Hindu or being a Muslim or a Christian or whatever. Money is sometimes the biggest motive behind things, and जो आम जनता होती है, they get fooled into thinking that, oh, this is the reason. But I think in today's day and age, at least in the capitalist world that we live in, money is the biggest driving force for most crimes, I feel.
एक सवाल और है कि जो क्रिकेटर किडनैप होता है उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है, जो मिलता जुलता विराट कोहली से है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या कुछ विराट कोहली से इस बारे में बात हुई या कुछ बताएंगे?
I mean, when I met Virat because we both support the same team in football, so I've told him about it. He knows that we are making something on these lines, and he's quite cool about it.
Yeah, but he's not Virat Kohli. I'm just reiterating that at all.
It's just that the script was conceived how much time back?
It's a completely fictional script.
Because it was written long back. No?
Yeah, written years ago. So he's a top cricketer in your country right now. So you can let your imagination fly and think whoever you want him to be.
Okay, रोहित, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. रोहित, मेरा सवाल आपसे है,
आप होगा? हाँ.
It's okay, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है. Hi रोहित, hi रोहित. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे देसी बॉयज में आप जॉन कॉलिटी डायरेक्ट कर चुके हैं और यहाँ पे अक्षय सर जैसे दिग्गज, वरुण धवन जैसे दिग्गज, जैकलीन, पहला दिन शूट का जब आप उनके साथ आपने काम किया, चाहे मैं अक्षय सर की बात करूं या मैं वरुण की बात करूं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या जब आप कोई सीन एक्सप्लेन करते थे, कई बार होता है कि एक्टर आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता है, कुछ चेंजेस चाहता है कि ये इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो कैसा दिन रहा स्पेशली अक्षय जी के साथ एंड वरुण के साथ? डू यू गॉट इमोशनल व्हाइल सीइंग एक्शन टू वरुण धवन?
नहीं, इमोशन सब घर पे ही होता है, नॉट वाइल शूटिंग. वी वर एक्सट्रीमली प्रोफेशनल विद ईच अदर इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर. और कुछ कभी सेट पे कभी इश्यूज नहीं हुई थी बिकॉज वी हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ. हमने रीडिंग्स की थी तो सबको अपना किरदार बहुत क्लियरली पता था. सो ऑल दैट वाज जस्ट बिहाइंड क्लोज्ड डोर्स. सो उसकी कुछ